How to watch adult video on YouTube using your iPhone. So you must have this YouTube app installed on your device. Tap on it and it comes out like this. Go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the base, which is after you tap on it. Now you see this account at the top of the screen. Tap on it. Now here you have access to manage your Google account. Tap on it. Under option that comes out, tap on personal info. Now here, go ahead and tap on your birthday. So make sure that your birthday is correct and is more than 18 years. So if it is not up more than 18 years, come out to this place and edit your birthday and be sure it is more than 18 years. Now that I've set your birthday and it's more than 18 years, then go back from this place. Go ahead and tap on the settings icon at the top of the screen. Then tap on general. Under general, you say restricted mode. If restricted mode is toggled on, it means you are not up to 18 years. Then all adult content will not be displayed on this YouTube app on your device. So to enjoy the adult content, you must toggle it off to be sure that you are more than 18 years. So that is all the same process, guys. The adult video on YouTube. If you enjoy what I've explained, if you don't subscribe, please subscribe. And don't forget to like, share so that others will benefit from this video.